Welcome guys. If you wanna use iPhone keyboard on your Xiaomi Mi Note 10, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store. Right here, just tap on the search and type here the iPhone keyboard. And you have to download this application, Keyboard for iPhone iOS 13 keyboard. Tap on the install. Now just wait a little bit. Okay, there's an issue, but let's go back to the Google Play Store. Okay, it's downloading. And it's here, so tap on the icon, click on the allow 3 times. Now just wait. Skip, tap on the start, close this ad, and right now we have to tap on the enable. Tap on this marker to turn on the iPhone 11 keyboard. Okay, go back and tap on the switch. Choose your iPhone 11 keyboard. Now close it. And right now when you go to the messages, when we can use the keyboard, here it is, our iPhone keyboard, and also you have here the emojis, as you can see, and we can change the themes also. So this is how it looks. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.